What are Qwen VL models? What does it mean to be a vision language model in the current Gen AI space? And how you can use Qwen VL2B to understand your videos and answer questions from users according to it. We will look at Alibaba's latest VLM to explore the current state of language communication and the road to it. So, join me as we answer some of these questions. But before that, it would help if you could head down below and drop a subscribe while you're at it and let me know what tutorial you would like to see next. Alright, let's start with the basics. What are Qwen VL models? Developed by Alibaba, these models combine vision and language processing to create a seamless experience for applications that require understanding images, text, or even video. Vision language models or VLMs like Qwen are designed to handle complex tasks such as image recognition, video comprehension, and multimodal question answering. These models' ability to see and read simultaneously makes them exciting, just like we do. So what does it mean to be a VLM in today's Gen AI space? Unlike traditional LLMs, VLMs can understand and reason with visual and textual data. That's a big deal because it allows for more nuanced AI experiences like answering questions about a video or generating captions for an image. For example, with Qwen VL, you can upload a video, ask the model complex questions about what's going on in the video. The model can then analyze the frames, recognize objects, read any visible text, and provide a meaningful response, all in natural language. So, how does Qwen VL stack up against traditional LLMs? Traditional LLMs like GPT are incredible at generating text-based outputs from textual inputs. They don't understand visual data. That is where VLMs come into play. They combine the power of vision and language in one architecture. Think of it this way, while a regular LLM can write an essay based on a prompt, a VLM like Qwen VL can answer questions based on what it sees in a video or image, bridging the gap between vision and text. So now let us discuss what makes this model so special. First, this model can process video content for up to 20 minutes and answer questions about it, which is a major advancement over previous models. It also excels in tasks such as document analysis, where it can simultaneously handle text and image inputs. Additionally, Qwen VL2B is trained explicitly for multimodal tasks, so whether it's answering questions, providing summaries, or even generating text based on visual data, this model is designed to perform at a high level in diverse use cases. Let us get technical for a second now. The architecture behind Qwen VL2B is impressive. It integrates visual encoders and language models in a parallel structure, allowing it to interpret images and text simultaneously. The core of the model is built on a transformer-based architecture optimized for multimodal fusion. This model doesn't just process images and text separately, it combines them to understand the full context of whatever you feed it, be it a video, image, or a combination of both. Now, let us take a look at how you could go about using Qwen VL through an example where we will make a web application using Streamlit to describe a video. First of all, we will load the model using the official docs available on Hugging Face. We should load the model with flash attention, which should let us run this model smoothly on any native GPU with more than 8 GB VRAM. This sequence starts at download of close to 4 GB, so be prepared for that. As any LLM or VLM, Qwen VL requires textual input to start the process on the backend. So we will go ahead and define a simple conversation for the model to process, where we provide a path for the video and instructions to describe it. And lastly, we shall define a small function to actually pass the video and the conversation through the model, which should let us get the inference in about 10 seconds or so, depending on the size of the video. Alright, let me just take you through the final UI of the web application and what kind of results you can be expecting. However, I invite you to check out this other video that I made recently using Moondream V2, which in my opinion is the better VLM. So go ahead and check out that as well. So there you have it, folks. We answered questions such as what is Qwen ML and what does it mean to be a VLM in the current Gen AI space. We also learned how you can very easily, in just 3 steps, deploy such a model to your Streamlit web application to start using it for a plethora of use cases.